Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today I have a bit of a stocking stuffer. Let's say the system goes down or there's a power outage and suddenly I lose a bunch of work. NX has something that can help you. There's a way to remind yourself or any other user to save every now and then. So if you go to File and Utilities, Customer Defaults, from Customer Defaults you go to Gateway, and then you go to Part. Then if you scroll down, you'll see that there's Interval for Save Changes Reminder. So by default, it's 0. But then if you change it, I'll change it to 1 minute. So then I'll say OK. So say OK, and you go off and you start your NX session again. Let's say save. I'll save this little part. I'll exit. Here it comes. Oh, see? It says you have been working for 2 minutes without saving. To reduce the risk of losing changes, you should save your work from time to time. Then it says, do you want to save your work now? And you can say, yes, save all now, just like that. And then it saves everything. Again, my name is Steve Samuel. This was a little tidbit, if you will, a little stocking stuffer. Please like and subscribe. Take care.